Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to create link Amazon affiliate program. Alright, open new page and write Amazon affiliate program and click on Amazon. And authorization your Amazon account. Alright, and select promotion and Amazon bounty program. Click on and open Amazon website and write search iPhone 16 on case. Right, Samsung. Okay, and click on this, open page, and click on right corner, get link. Get link, and this your link, and copy it, full or short, and select store ID, track ID, and that's all, and copy it, and share your video, your friends, and etc. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me.